Nyasha, and I'm dressed up because my best friend is coming here for a party. I thought not to disturb my mama, so I'll make these biscuit pizzas. So let's get started. Before doing anything, we must sanitize our hands. And for the recipe, I've taken corn, cherry tomatoes, and salt, and chili flakes, and oregano, and cheese, and salted biscuit. So let's mix everything. The cherry tomatoes, the corn, salt, and chili flakes, and oregano. We're gonna mix it up. Now we are going to place the mixture one by one. We put them on all of the biscuits. Now we are going to grate cheese in a plate. You have to be very careful with the grater. Now we are going to sprinkle the cheese over the biscuit pizza. I love cheese. It's so tempting. Our biscuit pizza is ready and it's so tempting. I really want to eat it immediately. I'm sure you will like yours and make it tempting too. And I'm so excited for the party. I hope my best friend will love these biscuits. And stay home, stay safe.